How to use Canva. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be giving you a tutorial on Canva, how to use Canva for creating logos, editing videos, photos, and more. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will simply go to canva.com and you will get to this platform right here. Canva is an online designing tool that allows you to edit your photos, videos, create logos, presentations, flyers, social media posts, anything you want. Signing up process for Canva is really easy, and as a complete beginner, you will require an account. To create an account on Canva, you can simply go ahead and do that with your email address or your Google account. Once you have an account, then you're good to go. You will get right here on this platform, and now let me show you what are the different tools we get. First, we have videos, Facebook post, presentation, Instagram story, mobile video, logo, Facebook cover, document, posters, flyers, resume, and more. So these are the different designs that we can use, and these are going to be the different canvas sizes. You can also go to design right here, and it will give you different options that you can choose from. You can go for post from here. We have videos and photos. We have flyers, logos, menu, calendars, invitations, labels, and more. So to create a design, you can also select a custom size from here and you enter your width and height here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply go ahead and select the logo one, and it will open up my canvas for me. So this is our main canvas that we get on Canva. Now, this is going to be similar for all of the different designs. For example, even if you are editing a video, you will get a canvas like this and all of the features given here. Then you can create a presentation, flyer. You just, select and work right here on your canvas. And then from here, we can select different tools. In tools, we have templates. So you can go to templates and it allows you to choose from like different templates available here. And sometimes I also like to go with a template, and it's really easy and it gives us a really fun idea that what we should do. Similarly, we have elements right here. Now in elements, what we do is we add different lines and shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, and videos. From here, you will be adding everything. Then we have upload, and we can actually upload media from our computer to work on, and we can upload different images, different videos, audio, voiceovers, whatever we want to add to our canvas right here. Then we have text. Text allows us to add any kind of text we want to our canvas right here. We can add headings, subheadings, and more. And then we have audio. Audio will of course allow me to choose from different music and different audios. Then we have background option right here, and we get a lot of different backgrounds to choose from. So there are hundreds to thousands of templates, backgrounds available on Canva, even with the free version. In more, again, we have styles, charts, and folders. Let's work on our canvas. So the first thing we do is we give name to our document right here. So I'm going to call it test logo. There you go. And then we have to select the background color. Go to color right here, and we can choose from different, brand kit here. We have brand and color kit, and you can select any kind of color you want. So what I am doing is I'm actually creating a logo. Let's say that I want to create a logo for my restaurant. So we're going to do, and we could just select the color. Perfect. This is the theme. And then I'll go to elements here. And in elements, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually look for different elements related to my restaurant. So we can actually search for different elements from here. So I'm going to search for restaurant. All right, so you can see that we have a bunch of different elements given here, and I can just go with the graphics because in logos, we go for graphics. We don't go for the photos and anything, but it totally depends on you. So our restaurant logo is kind of like a very simple one, and we can actually design a logo ourselves as well. If you want to, you can upload an icon. The icon is really important. So whatever icon your restaurant has, you can just select it. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm going with this icon right here, which is like a restaurant one. And now I need to add the text as well. I need to add the restaurant's name. So we'll move on to text here, and I'm going to add a heading. So the restaurant is called 7 Spices. So we have 7 spices right here. Now, of course, this is not the font that I want. So you select the text from here, and then you can select a font. You can select any kind of font, and then we can adjust the size. We can adjust the color of our text here. We can make it italic. We can change the alignment. We can add different effects, we have transparency right here, we have position, animate, and others as well. If you're working with more than one element, so let me actually give you a quick overview about this one as well, because you will be using Canva for the first time, right? So what you can do is, if you're working with more than one element, let's say that you have a square added to your logo or to your photo, so we can actually adjust the logos according to our requirements, and you can just like right click and it allows you to copy, paste, delete, send backward, send to back, link, animate, and comment. So if I send it backward, that means that it will be actually sent to the back of my elements. So this is how it works, and I can copy this element, I can paste it, I can change the color for the element. You can see we can work with different elements and we can change their color. We can change the size, we can change everything we want. So for now, I'm just going to delete this element and let's get back to our text that we were editing. So I'm going to just like place the icon right here for a second and we're going to work on the text. So for text, what I want is I just kind of like want a font that actually goes with our icon. You can see there are a lot of different fonts available on Canva. This one looks pretty good, so I'm gonna check this one out. Okay, you can actually not read with this much. Okay, this one looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm going with this text right here. Even with the text, we get a lot of different, already created text if we want. You can see right here, we have this different combination of text available for us to go for, and it helps us save a lot of time. So you can choose from here as well. The ones with this crown, that means that this is for pro version, pro Canva. If you're using the free version, unfortunately, you cannot use the elements that have this crown. So we have our, text right here. We have our logos. I'm just going to adjust them. You simply drag and drop and adjust it according to your requirements, and you'll place it right here. The pink lines are actually a guidance that give you, like you can see now it's in center vertically, and then I can just like place it in the center. So this is the simplest design that I have created for you guys to help you learn about Canva, and this is how you will play around. If it's a video, there is no difference. You will just see the right here, the time frame. The time frame is given here, and working with Canva is same. We get templates, we get elements, upload, text, audio, and background, and we can choose from hundreds to thousands of different templates. And when it comes to like saving your design, once it's done, what you can do is you can click on this share option, and Canva allows you to actually download or share your files. I'm going to download. Click on download and we can download it in PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4 video, or GIF. So I'm going to save it as JPG, and then we can adjust the size, the quality again, but I'm going to click on download and it'll take just like a second to download my logo that I've created on Canva. You can see right here now it's downloaded. So that's how easy it is to use Canva to create designs, amazing designs of your own. You can work with a lot of different elements if you want. You can add stickers, and there are a bunch of different GIFs, photos that you can use on your designs to create high quality content, and you will be able to not only create logos but presentation, edit videos, create t-shirt designs, menu, poster, calendars, labels, mugs, and shirts. And if you want to work on a previous project, you can just scroll down and it will show you all of your recent designs, and you can select the one that you want to edit. And you can see I have created a lot of designs, edited a lot of videos with Canva, and you can also go ahead and you work on Canva right now. And now you know how to actually use Canva as a complete beginner. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.